that is conversed in Hindi and not from India. India is not the country name. It was given us by Greeks and Romans because they could only reach till Indus River, which actually the Sindhu River. Then, if we see our history, which is as old as 50,000 years, when Shiva comes from the Himalayas and entitled the people of these lands, and from where our actually history starts, and not from Indus Valley, which is a civilization terms which was taught to us by the British historian and shaded in our minds. So our history is distorted by these peoples. Then Sanskrit too was never an Indo-Aryan language because there is nothing like Aryan race. Again, a hawks to divide us. So Sanskrit is as old 15,000 years. But then nobody used to write anything, but the knowledge was oral.
So
It was only around.
finally you want that
So-
Hindi should be a national language, right?
Sir, please complete my point, please.
Because you have
So,
only these points or others as well?
yes, sir, others as well.
ठीक है, then complete
Sure.
it.
So today Bharat needs only one language to remain untitled, or else we would again fight and get divided. I am sure of that. The Hindi is the proper language that can't divide religions, systems, and different things or political parties into two different ways. So I strongly favor Hindi as our national language. Thank you.
Very good. From where did you find these points? Anjali,
So
start
I
it up.
find these points from different sites.
Anjali Pandey.
Sir, I think Hindi should be our national language because Hindi is a language originated within India, and it is more prideful to have language originated in India as a nationally important language, and we have our own language. So why we give the importance to the foreign language, which is English? And total 43% of total population speaks English. Speak Hindi, sorry, speak Hindi, and known as their native language. And if and we are very sensitive to our towards our culture as towards our culture. So we want Hindi our national language.
Great. Very good.
So that's it.
Arvind Kumar, ready?
Sorry,
Or Aryan Raj?
and
Yes, sir.
the official language in the world, and it is the official language of India.
हाँ Anjali, we have heard your point. Your network is creating the problem. So let me just listen to Aryan Raj first. हाँ Aryan, start.
Sir, I strongly favor Hindi language. As Hindi is the most common language, we can say that Hindi should be our national language. In North, there are most of the people speak Hindi, but in South, people don't speak Hindi. If we start continuing English in our country, then it is same for us, that we are following the foreign language. As Indian, we should have unity, so we can take Hindi as our national language. That's
Great. Simple point but good. Then Chanchal, start.
every million of
Let's say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, every million.
okay sir good morning everyone, and I strongly favor in Hindi. Hindi is not our national language, is only Devanagari language, and every year million of lawyers across the world visit India. The ability to speak and understand the Hindi increase the opportunity to enjoy the with Indian culture, history and people. Hindi skill makes their journey more easy and interesting and Hindi language. Hindi language is very old and has a directly line of evolution to Sanskrit. As such as the part of one of the oldest religions and literature traditional in the world, or traditional that have the influence other regions and other people. India billion people worldwide speak this wonderful language. So I think Hindi language is the most influenced language.
Harsha.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So, as the topic, English, in my point of view, English is our national language, maybe in future. English is one such language that is understood by people from different castes and state and countries also, and therefore it deserves to be the official language of India. If Hindi is given priority, then it will create differences among the people who don't speak it, making them feel as a second class citizen. The use of English language is as per the requirement of being a part of globalization, and there is nothing wrong in it. That's why I am in favor of it, that English should be our national language. Thank you.
Good.
Sir, should I add some more points?
Wait. We haven't started the debate yet. Wait. Let me just listen to the opinions. Himanshu.
Sir, I think every person said English is more important, but I think it is important. It should be optional. Like we go to bank, you can see the receipt. It is in both language. One side in English and other side in Hindi. It it is useful for every person who know English. He can use English, but the person who are not able to understand English, they can also use Hindi.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. In my opinion, English is the language which is spoken and understood throughout India by the educated people. It can be better language
Educated
than
people.
it can be better linked language than any of the Indian languages. Including Hindi, English is already used in India in higher administrations, higher learning, and higher judiciary system. India is not a single government country. Rather, it is the federation of states under a single central government. Each state can be choose their own language since Hindi is not a spoken in the majority of states. It can't be national language. There should be no national language if you linked is language is required. It is of course English.
Wow. Understood point.
English as a,
Meenu.
English as a, okay, sir. Thank you,
Good
sir.
morning, everyone. I think English should be our national language. In my opinion, English should be continue to be the official language of India because all our government work in being done in English. Our education system and most of the lecture in India is now being written in English. It is the common language being used throughout the world due to technology advancement would now become the global village. So in other life is the village we need common language, and the main reason for me boom in information technology in India has been the ability of English speaking people. The young boy and girl could talk on telephone to America in their
Girls and boys propose each other in English. This is the advantage thing of English.
they
They talk
sitting
on
in
phone in
call
English.
center in
They
India.
want to learn English.
English has special national status in India. It has a special place in the parliament, judiciary, broadcasting. Sir, GOURNAL, journalism. Sorry, बोलती क्या है? And in the education system.
Sir.
And one day, if each and every citizen of India can speak, read, and write in English.
Priya.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
In my opinion, English should be since it give all kind of opportunity in communication, life, quality and education. And first of all, English breaks down communication barriers because it is a lingua franca. In other words, English is the most commonly used language among foreign language speakers. That's why English should be our national language.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka.
As we all know that the English is an international language because all country have our native language, but all country people are communicate in English language. We should know English language for understand. I don't say you forget your native language, but at least you know international language.
Priyanka, done.
Yes, sir.
अरे भगवान. Upendra,
Yes, sir.
speak.
Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ.
In my opinion, Hindi is our national language because Hindi is half Indian. Hindi is speak half Indian people, and we have to learn speak English, but Hindi is not learn to speak. So Hindi is our national language.
Hindi should be. Vinay.
Hindi should be our national language.
Good afternoon,
And,
everyone.
Good afternoon.
In my opinion, English should be our national language because important of English in today's competitive world, important of English cannot be ignored. English is one of the most important spoken language in the world. Many people from different parts of the world having different language as their mother tongue are able to communicate easily with knowledge of English. Nowadays, English has become the language of education in many countries. In India, itself we have English medium schools. It becomes communicate for a student to get higher education for Western countries if already knows English. Most documents work done in office is also in English language. Good knowledge of English language also helps many candidates to seek employment outside in India. That's all.
Very good, very good. Rizwan. Hey Rizwan. Rizwan Ansari, you wanna speak something on this topic?
Shall I speak, sir?
No, sir.
You are Rizwan Ansari. Speaking or not?
No, sir.
Speak fast.
No, sir. No.
Acha, no sir. Then why have you come here? Nalayak. Okay. So guys, these were the opinions of you guys, right? Now there are some people who support Hindi, there are some guys who support English.
I'm not supposed to opinion.
And now we are gonna start the debate. अब हमने सबका opinion सुन लिया एटलीस्ट, हमने जान लिया कौन क्या मानता है, कौन किसने क्या points बोले. चलो.
Sir, I am not sharing my opinion, sir.
हाँ.
Vinny, sir. Good afternoon, all of you. I strongly favor with English should be our national language. In my opinion, English should be our national language. It officially announced English our national. According to me, English continues to be an important language in India. It is used in higher education and in some area of Indian government. And it officially declared Article 343 empowered Parliament to provide by law for continued use English for official purpose even after 25th January 1965, and it provides for continued the use of English in official work even after 5th January 1965. And my other point is, it is only one language which connects us to rest of the world, and it also language international communication.
So with my friends, Hindi is our mother. Hindi is not our mother tongue, but Hindi is maximum state in speak, and in September 2019, Union
difficult for us to help him. So
What happened, Abhishek? Come on.
sir, there is something happens in my home, so I go.
Okay. Anjali, speak others. Come on. Harsha, Himanshu, Jagriti ma'am, what happened?
Sir, if we talk
Some of
about
my
history,
friends,
Sir, we have to give first preference to our official language, and which is in Hindi. If I give the example, China ban the English language because they support our own language, native language, which is Chinese. So in India also, Hindi we consider as Hindi our national language. So we have to support our native language.
Sorry, ma'am, I differ with you. English is the one language that is understood by the people from different castes and states, and therefore deserves to be the official language of India. If any other language is tried to make the official language, all the regional parties will start battle of making the state level as official of language of India. That is my point.
I agree with Jagriti ma'am, but in my opinion, each country is our language. Such as our country is our language is religion and on religion. Our Indian government should be in Hindi national language and.
Sorry to cut you short, sir. Forget all about the different castes and religions, as the Indian have their own national language. That is the Hindi, and that should only be the official language of India. English might be used as the official language of India, but it is the unofficial lingua franca in the South Asia when it is not official for the region. So why make it official for the country?
And sir, as per the 2011, 52.83 crore people have selected Hindi as their and 13.92 crore people have selected Hindi as second language, and 24 crore people have selected Hindi as their third language. So if people know that the Hindi is their first, second, third language, so we have to prefer that na we have to prefer Hindi our national language, because people express their feeling in their mother tongue, so they know that what is best for them.
I want to add some points with Anjali Pandey, that many people are saying that the development of our country can be done with the English. But I oppose this statement, because as we all know that there was a British rule in India approximately 200 years. Then why our country India doesn't develop by that time with English used by Britishers? So from my point of view, that our country India is developing rapidly with Hindi. So according to me, Hindi should be the official language of India.
And sir, one of the leaders said that if the Indian people do not know the Hindi language, it is a shame for them, and they have no right to stay in India, because they are not aware with their native language.
Correct.
I add some point.
So,
English language
is the language of business, science, and technology. It is the spoken and understood all over world. It is the medium of international communication with globalization of the economy.
To cut you short, ma'am, who can influently speak and write Hindi are actively recruited for South Asia companies as well as companies international. It would be truly to be your advantage if you would be able to speak and write Hindi. India is the growing in every other aspect, such as science, commerce, and business, and the other information system, digital, and media. Okay, suppose if they face any problem in our phone, so we